All right, everyone, this is the 8th grade review power focus area, and our objective is ordered pairs. So our first step is going to be graphing ordered pairs, and if you remember, this is what an ordered pair looks like. It is two numbers surrounded by parentheses, separated by a comma. So our first number is going to be our x value, and x value, if you remember, is the horizontal line on our graph. And then our second value is going to be our y value, and that's the vertical, the up and down axis on our graph. So let's try first graphing our first order pair, which is 2, 3. So our 2 is our x value. So I always start where these two cross right in the middle, and I'm going to count over 2. So 1, 2. Then our 3 is our y value, and so we're going to count up 3. So 1, 2, 3. That becomes our first ordered pair of 2, 3. Next, let's try graphing our second ordered pair, 1, 4. So again, our 1 is our x value, so we're going to start in the middle here, count over 1, and then our 4 is our y value, and we're going to count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this becomes our ordered pair of 1, 4. Last, we're going to graph this blue ordered pair. Now this one looks a little bit different because we have a negative number. Now this is still our x value, and we're still going to start here in the middle, but instead of going 1 to our right, which would be positive, we're going to go 1 to our left, which is negative, and then we're going to go up 3 for our y value. So 1, 2, 3, and this is our last ordered pair, which is -1, 3. Now let's take a look at what if we were given points on a graph and we have to write our own ordered pair. Now it's the same process. We're going to start in the middle here, and we're going to count to find our points values. So this first red one we're going to start with, so we'll count over 1. So that's our x value, and then we're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our y value. So you can put in here 1, 5. Now let's try to find our ordered pair for our orange point. Start in the middle here. We're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be our x value, and then it's 1, 2 up. So our point becomes 6, 2, and that's our ordered pair. And then last, our blue point over here. Remember, we went right for positive numbers, left for negative. So this is still our x value. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, but it's actually a -3. And then up 1, so our order pair becomes -3, 1. Written as such. And then lastly, we're going to look at what if we are given an order pair, but our axis isn't counting by ones. So instead of this being 1, it's actually every other line is 1. So let's look at our order pair of 2, 2. I'm still starting in the middle. I'm counting to 2, but it's actually every other line is 1. And I'm going up 2, but it's actually every other line. And this becomes our order pair of 2, 2.